Hello, this is Ben Tucker for EE329 Project A1. First, here's my code, just a sort of brief going over it. There's my main while loop with some commented out code that I'll be using later, and my test function which uses num divided by 3. The delay function, my display function which writes to my output pins. So first, looking at the 15 counter, here is it counting to 15. A total of 3 times. Now I will remove the delay by commenting it out, recompile. Returning after the compile, you can now see that the lights are completely on. This is because the clock cycle is moving so fast that to the human eye it appears it's constantly on. On the oscilloscope you can see that the least significant bit and the bit just above it, this occurs twice as frequently as that because it's counting more often. Now moving on to the instruction time measurement. The first step here will be to comment out the entire enchilada here of the 15 counter and uncommenting my turn on PC0 and my test function. Again, this is testing the divide by 3, and we'll be back after the compile. Returning after the compile, we can now see on the oscilloscope executing the divide by 3 instruction for the 8-bit function, test function instruction. We can see it's running at about 3.3 microseconds. So now I will go forward and change the instruction width to 64 bits, changing it to the 64-bit instruction, and then recompiling. Right now recompiling. Out of the compile, we can see that now it is running at about 27 microseconds. Thanks.